Hello guys, today we're going to install a VMS short shifter. As you can see, I loosened the console with a 13mm ratchet, and I took it off with a pliers. As you can see, you want to start taking out the VMS short shifter. And as you do it, just hit it down with a hammer. To get the seat. I'm gonna do it outside. I'll be back, guys. I'm back, and I put it on. It's on now. You just want to fill it with grease afterwards. Rinse it, clean it. Make sure it moves. Make sure it stays sturdy, as you guys can see. I'm going to install it right now. You want to put it on and tighten it with the Allen wrenches that it comes with. Hello guys. I just finished installing the short shifter. Now I'm going to put all the plastic pieces back on. And I have my shift boot. I have my carbon fiber shift boot that I wrapped. Looks pretty real. That's only for like $2 on Wish. It's pretty nice. Looks real. Push down. Put the shift knob on. Damn. The gears feel so short. Better than last time. It's all set. All done, guys.